Hey, bro, you know what I just realized? You're not stronger than me. Let's go.
The fucking squirrel is back. It look evil as fuck. I'm terrified. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes, you bitch.
Why are you approaching me? Can you not? Sir, can I? What the fuck?
Simon, don't touch my phone. You're excited.
If anybody believes that these two should not be wed, speak now or forever hold your peace.
He's horny. Right after surgery? Are you kidding?